Good afternoon and welcome to my channel. This is just a quick video for anyone who's looking to install a contact form using contact form 7 on their WordPress website. This is a fairly simple and quick video just to explain how to install the plugin, how to customize the form and how to add it to your web pages. So you can do this on any WordPress website. First things first, you've got to go to plugins, add new, and we search for contact form 7. Install now and activate. Okay, so now that's activated, you'll see this contact section here in the left sidebar. Click into that. You can see they give you a dummy form already. We'll edit this form actually. We'll edit the one that they supply you with just to show you. First things first, you click in. Let's rename this. It's just a contact form. So you can see what they do. They supply you with a basic form. You know, it has a name field, email, subject, and a text area for any message they want to send to you, and a submit button. To make any of these required fields, you'll notice next to these short codes they have a star. If you want to make any of these other fields required, we just add a star here as well. We'll add a star here as well and make all forms required. That's pretty standard for a form of this size because you want to capture as much details as possible. I click save. And to add this to a page, all we've got to do is copy this shortcode. So we copy this, and let's open up Pages in a new tab. Okay, let's add a contact page. Add the title for the page, and then you just simply copy and paste the shortcode in. Hit publish, and then you can view your page on the front end. Now that supplies you with a very basic contact form, which will work straight out of the box. But obviously, there's some cases where you don't want to use the same fields that they've supplied you with. So I'm going to just show you how we can edit a few of those fields and change things around a bit so you can make your form completely custom to your website. So let's go back to the contact form. Now let's say we want to add a phone number field. You can see we've got all of these selectors at the top. It supports, standard text fields, email, URL, telephone field, number field, date field, text area, drop down menu. I'll show you a few of the most popular ones of these now, just to get you started. So let's add a telephone field. I'm going to call this telephone. Yeah, we want this as a required field, so we want to capture their phone number, and then we insert tag. And you're going to want to put a label for this, so we just copy and paste this here. Label, and then we close the element as well with label, and we can change this to your telephone. Hit update, go back to our page, and now you can see we've got the telephone field there as well. Let's show you a few others. Maybe you want to ask, people. Maybe you want to ask them their budget, for example, the budget that they have to spend when using your services. So drop down would be good for this. So drop down, we call this budget. We want it required as well. This will allow them to select multiple options from your drop down. For this I won't show you that, we're just going to do a standard drop down. This here, you can insert a blank item as the first option. I'd like to do this because it means it's not pre-selected. And we can put our options in here, so let's say £100, £500, £1,000, £5,000, and then we insert tag again. And remember to add your label. Close the element. Let me change that to your budget. Hit save. And we'll refresh our page, and we should have a drop down menu. And you see, this is why I entered insert a blank, so it's not pre-selected, so they can go in and they can just select their budget. Now, where a lot of people go wrong with this, they enter these fields for the form and they forget to include these in the mail that it sends to you. For example, when someone submits a message. So we need to go to the Mail tab, and you can see here we have these two tags which need to be added. So we can see the telephone number and we can see what their budget is. So we can add these here. Just put telephone and budget. So whenever you add a new field to the form, you must come in here and do this as well. Otherwise, you're not going to get sent the details. You hit save. And that's it. Now when you receive an email, you also receive their telephone number and their budget, as well as the other items that we've added. You can customize this entire message body as much as you like. You don't have to keep it like this. You can remove this, for example. You could put this down like this. You know, you can change it around to suit you, essentially. However you want to do it. Click save and you're done. Obviously, you can change your from email, your to email, your subject, anything you want to change. It can be completely customized. And that's pretty much it. That's how you set up a form. That's how you embed it in a page. It's pretty simple stuff. But I know some people are still looking for it on YouTube, and they're searching how to add this Concept Form 7 plugin to their website. So hopefully this has helped you. I'll be posting lots of other videos like this, anything to do with WordPress websites, SEO, lead generation, anything that can help you run your online business online. I'll be posting on my channel, so please subscribe if you think this content will help you. If this video has helped you, please like the video or dislike it, and leave your comments below. Have a good day and take care.